Warning, warning, warning. This book will save your life. Dr. Richardson's Beginner's Guide to Wild Edible Greens and Herbs. Greetings and welcome. A medical doctor and researchers tell the truth and the science behind the unparalleled ability of wild edible greens and herbs to provide top-notch food and nutrition and to prevent and reverse disease. These wild edible greens and herbs simply and unequivocally qualify as supercharged nutritional powerhouses that are unmatched. We are living in a disease epidemic era. Do you realize that 1 out of 2 will get cancer, 1 out of 2 will get heart and artery disease, 1 out of 3 will get diabetes or Alzheimer's? By the age of 50, most of us have had major surgery and are on several medications. Are prescription drugs really the answer? Did you know that 100,000 people die each year from taking prescription drugs? Prescription drugs are the 4th leading cause of death. A whopping 66% of drugs come from greens and herbs. Ezekiel 47:12 says, "And the leaves shall be for your healing." Hippocrates, the father of European medicine, says, "Let thy medicine be thy food." This book will make you absolutely want to marry wild edible greens and herbs because you never really knew you could feel this good. Are nutritional supplements really the answer? No more nutritional supplements needed. Wild edible greens and herbs are by far the very best nutritional supplements on the planet Earth, bar none. Now you can throw away your nutritional supplements. No more nutritional supplements needed. Embrace the real pharmacy of wild edible greens and herbs, which was the original pharmacy of our ancestors, rendering cures and treatments for most ailments, conditions, and illnesses known to humankind. Tremendous benefits of wild edible greens and herbs. They are completely free, available year-round, completely fresh, maximally absorbable, and nutritionally way more dense or loaded than domesticated greens and herbs. Unparalleled advantages of wild edible greens and herbs. Puts your immune system in hyperdrive. Unexpected healings anywhere in the body. Top-notch internal organ decalcification, including your liver, brain, heart, and arteries. Acclimatization features that allows you to adjust more easily to changes in local climate. Dental infections and issues may disappear. For more information and to order Dr. Richardson's Beginner's Guide to Wild Edible Greens and Herbs, please simply click the link below and have this valuable information sent to your inbox in mere seconds. This book is essential for anyone seeking great health, longevity, and vitality, as well as prevention and reversal of disease. What you get in this book. It will serve as a quick primer on how you can learn, master, and utilize wild edible greens and herbs for great food, medicinal purposes, and natural remedies, as well as optimize your health and well-being. Emphasizes best practices, rules of thumb, practical applications, and how-tos. Simply will give you ways to eat healthy, save money, and be more self-reliant. Will provide you with the essential information and guidance to begin finding, foraging, and eating wild edible greens and herbs today. Arms a reader with the knowledge, basic concepts, safety tips, and identification techniques. We also discuss the 8 most common wild edible greens and herbs that you can find on the planet Earth almost anywhere, including burdock, chickweed, green onions, dandelion, pokeweed, fennel, plantain, and red clover. We will also unveil our recipe and methodology for making a raw burdock root tea tonic that detoxifies the liver and the blood and does well with being a lymphatic strengthener, a natural diuretic, a skin healer, defending against diabetes, combating cancer, improving arthritis, and a litany of other health benefits. Why you need this book. Wild edible greens and herbs are the number one nutritional supplement on the planet Earth, the number one disease reversal technique on the planet Earth. Will put doctors, hospitals, and drugs, will put doctors, hospitals, and drug companies out of business. Will put dentist offices out of business.